In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix on Snap Google Chrome error. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is navigate to your Chrome browser. Double click on it. Different options will appear. Click on the option Open File Location. Now double click on this Chrome exe file and click on the option Properties. Now click on this tab Compatibility and check in for the option. Run this program in compatibility mode for. From the drop-down menu, choose Windows 8 and click Apply, then OK. Now try restarting Chrome and see if this solves the problem. Next, launch your Chrome browser, click on three dots, select the option Settings. Now at the left-hand side, you're going to find the Fin option. Click on the option About Chrome. Make sure your Chrome browser is updated. Now click on the option Privacy and Security. Click on Delete Browsing Data. Check in for all these options. Then click on this drop-down and select All Time. Click on Delete Data. Next up, navigate to this option Reset Chrome Settings. Click on Restore Settings to the original default. Click Reset Settings. Once this is done, restart Chrome again and check if the error is solved. Likewise, navigate to this section Extensions. If you found out any suspicious extension, you can just remove it. And that's it. With these solutions, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. Now your Chrome should work. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.